Good morning, Achieve. Today we're going to be talking about things that were hard for us this year, but we persevered through it.
But first, we need to do Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand. Salute. Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Something useful I learned this year was things like coupons, tips, and other things like that in math. It's good to know those things because you use those a lot.
One thing I learned this year was how to take more detailed notes, especially to pass PFAs. Something that was hard was switching to a new program after being at Achieve for a lot of years.
What I learned was that even though some PFAs were hard, all you had to do is tell yourself that you're doing well, and I learned that taking notes really helped me and made it easier for me to pass PFAs. And now I've completed most of mine, so that's something I'm really proud of. And now we're going to have you discuss some hard things you did this school year with your classmates.
Bye, Achieve.